Yes, so welcome to another episode of Chats on Live Trading. Welcome to another episode of Chats on Live Trading, man. For your updates, how was your weekend before we go on, man? Mine was beautiful. I'm feeling good. The flu is coming to an end, man. Even if I played around with a cold last night, but I'm healthy and happy, man. Brah, that was insane. So currently, man, I'm happy, man. All right. Right now, I can stream on Twitch. On Kick and on YouTube at the same time, man. This is a very good thing. I can multiple stream, and I need to make sure we are getting content back to back. And I told you, when I figure out this thing, bro, you think I don't have a life. So this is for live traders and for everyone there. So welcome to this episode of Weekly Open. We're going to trade the charts. We're going to start with gold. As you all know, we went great and bullish on gold. We made money last week from gold. So right now, I'm just observing. The market went one direction, but as you know, I don't spend my weekends on live trades. I don't go to weekends on trades, man. I close them on Friday. That's a weekly closure. We are coming to a new week. Okay, I don't force my setups to go to the weekend because the weekends are very unpredictable and very, very, very uncertain. Okay, always remember that when you're trading, the weekends are not your friends, man. These government officials, man, from all over meet and make decisions during the weekend. And when it comes to market open, the market can change, man. But as you can see, the market is a little bit quiet. The market is quiet. The market is good. So we are going straight to the first pair. That is the gold. I said we made money on gold. So right now I can take a shot. I'm an advocate of go with the direction of the market. Right now the market has shown us it's going up. It's bullish. We can see. And as I said, I always have a floor and a ceiling. This is a new thing that I developed myself. Nobody teaches it. Always have a floor and a ceiling. Okay, this is what I call how high will it go. Okay, as you can see, the market is creating new highs and new lows. You see, but where are they going to come to an end, or where are they going to create a new momentum? As you can see, this blue line here. This is where I'm targeting. This is my full TP if I was in a setup. Okay, so this is what I will call my roof. I know the market will flow until it comes to this level, okay? Until it comes. So I'm not going with the opposite direction of the market. I'm not fighting the market. So as you can see, this support, this resistance, I'm sure is going to be broken and turned into support. That's something I'm very certain of, okay? So I will have to wait. If the market breaks here, we can have a long. We can have a beautiful long here and a hold, okay? That's it. This is the same theory I use when it comes to scale up, when it comes to get into multiple positions, okay? This is the same theory I use. I just don't get into multiple positions or other positions in my running trade. I use this theory, okay? Look at this. It will break and move on. So that's a good sign. Let's go to the next one. The next one is BTC Euro. BTC Euro, we didn't have a setup, but the market has given us what we wanted, okay? Always give you a chance time, okay? Anyone who took a shot here made a loss because unless they were targeting these lows, they made a loss. So for us, we're going to wait for the market to come back for us and we can take a long. I don't know what is happening, and what is developing. The market is giving a very good bullish momentum when it comes to this week. Remember, I always analyze these charts before I come to analyze with you on a live session. Okay, the market is giving us a very good bullish momentum. All right, look at this. Now you can see the market breakdown happening in real time. Market came to a level. This is a liquid sweep. If you go to a higher time frame, as I say, always go to a higher time frame, you find this is liquidity sweep happening in real time. So So the market has to come back here for us. Okay, always wait. I have to wait for confirmations before I take this beautiful long. So this is BTC Euro. We're waiting for a long. We have oil. Oil is a little bit bearish, but right now I'm not buying or selling oil until it comes to these levels. See, this is what I always say. Understand your market. If I wanted to take a setup, I'll have waited for it to break this low, this support, this support, and I will take this very tiny trade. Okay, because I know the market has to come and break this level so that it can come to our target area. All right, but I can take a continuation trade, but not an opposite direction trade. All right, so the other one is US30. US30 did something very interesting. It has broken the previous highs and it has created new highs. Look at this. These are new highs being created, man. I don't think US30 is stopping at any time, man. This thing is all the way to the moon. All the way to the moon, man. All the way to the moon when it comes to US30, man. I think this is the new BTC. Hold on, my friend. If you have a good portfolio on this, and if you have invested a lot of money, I think you will make money. Look at this. This is the market open. Remember, the market currently is open. So this is the market open. All right. This is the market open. Don't forget that. So as you can see, the momentum of the market open shows the bulls are in control. The bulls are in control, but the market has to come back here to retest for those who want to get it. But I said this setup, this pair, or what we call this index. This index is not respecting our trading strategy. That's why it was my previous favorite thing to trade, but right now I'm not trading. So I'm observing and just keeping an eye. To be honest, observing and keeping an eye on it. When it comes to executing trades, I'm sitting on my arms. When it comes to it, that don't Jones, man, because the Trump government has created uncertainty in the industry. Okay, remember these are companies. This is a combination of the 30 best companies when it comes to the US. So very few investors are very certain on what is not happening. So let's move to the next one. The next one is gbpjpy. gbpjpy finding, man, finding. Remember, this is our third week, I think. Third week observing this thing. And so far so good. I can say it's a very good bet to trade. Okay, very good bet to trade. The trade that we took last week, as I said, it would have been a success. Right? But the market currently is within this area. Let's see. The market broke these highs. Remember now, I said the market is bullish, and I said the market is giving a very good movement to the upside. Right? There we go. So it broke these levels. I have to make sure I underline the area that is highly respected. But I will know it is when I go to a higher time, a lower time frame. I mean, so let me go to the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, it has given us a very good support, right? So what would I do if I wanted to take a trade here? I'll just have to wait for the market to come to my zone. Nothing big, just easy. Place my bias on my analysis. Place them there. Let's see. There you go. Take that setup. A very good 1:3. Look at that. 1:3. So my entry will be around here. It's around there. My stop loss will be below this week. Right. So this is what I will be waiting to get into when it comes to gbpjpy. Alright. because the market has given us the direction already. We are in the market. The next one is Euro USD. I said I don't care about correlation. I observe the charts, what they're telling me, right? I don't care about correlation. Now, look at this. Euro USD has given us a bullish momentum. The market direction has changed to bullish. Remember last week we were on bearish when it comes to Euro USD, but the market pressure has changed. The direction has changed. If we took a setup, it will be a very good 1:1. Our TP1 levels would have been hit, alright? But for now, we just wait and take this bullish market that is forming, alright? So this is on a daily. For what will we be targeting? We will be targeting our entry at this area. Okay. Remember, I like to take weekly swings. I don't like daily trades. So our stop loss somewhere there. Now here comes the magic. Remember, we always have TP1 levels, TP2 and TP3 levels. So today, here you go. So this is on a daily, and we will target these areas. Where are they? This one's here. Okay. This one's. Okay. This will be a very good setup. Okay. Here. Okay. Here. This will be a very good swing trade. Anyone who wants to take this swing trade, better, it's a chance, it's your time to enjoy. Alright, let's wait for the market, and I will give you the entries, the TP1, the stop loss, the TP2, the TP3s, okay? But for now, we already have the buyers of the market, or we already know what we are looking for in the market. So we will wait for that setup, and I will give you the actual entries and the actual exits. Because the market gives us confirmation. We don't just decide on where the market is going. The market gives us direction. So never rush the market. Let the market do its thing. Alright. Okay. So that's it. That's it for our weekly update when it comes to pairs. Let's go direct to the news. For those who have been following the Iran situation, Iran finally has decided to bury its previous previous supreme leader. So, you know, Iran has a supreme leader who is the control of everything. This is the father of the current supreme leader. Although he was not present, that's the most interesting thing. He was not present. Look at this. This is a massive funeral, man. This guy had followers, man. Had followers, although he also had a lot of haters because of the things he did. So I think it's a 3-day mourning session. I don't know how this is working because I thought Muslims are supposed to be buried the same day. I don't know how that is going on. But let the guy lay to rest. He did his part. He's a human being. He gave his best. Okay. So the best, my guy. Let's hope the new supreme leader is a good guy and is a good replacement of you, or will do better than you, but not worse than you, because everybody has a good thing they have done and the worst thing they have done. So even if he was killed by the US, all I know is he tried his best. So the next one we are going to look at is France. I think France needs prayers, man. They should not play with prayers, because these people are experiencing too much crisis, too much crisis. Where did we go? We're thinking. Look at this. France is currently navigating a dual crisis involving extreme weather and political instability. A severe heat wave has swept the country, making the hottest June record, resulting in thousands of heat-related deaths and overwhelming hospital mortuaries. Concurrently, the government is grappling with the deep fiscal and political crisis that has destabilized its 2026 budget. Wow, this explains why Macron is moving everywhere and trying to stabilize the budget. Okay? Heat wave and public health emergency, casualties, infrastructure strain, political and physical stability. Look at this. For a closer look at how soaring the temperatures and unprecedented heat waves are impacting the region, man. I don't want to go into deep details and news, but as you know, France, man, needs prayers, man. Let's put France in our prayers. I don't know what religion dominates the area, but they are not doing their role, man. No, they're not praying as hard as it should. Jokes aside, this country is under pressure right now. Lives are at risk. Everything is at risk, man. So let's pray for it. It's as I said earlier. Now I'm streaming on Kick on YouTube. Streaming on Kick and YouTube, man. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, man. I'm enjoying it. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. You don't know how happy I am. So welcome to our live streams. I want to make them as daily streams, man, from Monday to Thursday, because Fridays I want to enjoy myself, Friday and Saturday. So always enjoying streams on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's what I'm trying my best to do. So I'll be streaming in both channels continuous. That is Kick and Twitch. Okay. Kick and YouTube. Then Twitch will be there later. But for now, let's enjoy this new development, man. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. So have a good trading week. Let's hope for the best. As traders, we hope for profitability online. But I know we'll get profitability. So for now, chats all out. Let's enjoy this stream.